We always have clear idea about life at sea. And many of us could ask, who are we? Today, we uncover the untold story of these unsung heroes, the seafarers. Every day, the global economy thrives because of them. Factories keep running and economies keep growing. But behind each voyage lies a story of sacrifice. Seafarers endure long months at sea, separated from their families, to make sure we have what we need. They brave the fury of the ocean, navigating through storms that could sink giants, showing unwavering resolve in the face of nature's might.
How do you read this, sir? Opening manifold.
Seafarers are the brave souls who navigate the open seas, bringing goods, connecting continents, and experiencing the beauty of our planet firsthand. In times of crisis, they are the first to respond to maritime emergencies, saving lives and providing assistance in the most challenging conditions. Yet, they remain the unsung heroes, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our world moving, our shelves stocked and our economies thriving. It is time to recognize their dedication. Join us in supporting seafarers and their families, because they are the true heroes of the sea. The story of a seafarer is a story of courage, sacrifice and resilience. Let's make sure their story is never left untold.